Google Scholar is a search engine designed to do broad searches of the scholarly literature. Using the example of Asian parenting styles, you can see that results include journal articles, books, and theses. Results can be sorted by date and by relevance. Sometimes you can download a PDF copy of the article directly following the link next to the article. However, full text access is often not free and requires a subscription. So our first Google Scholar tip is to show you how to make sure you can access library-subscribed full text when available. This feature can be turned on via the Settings option in the Google Scholar menu. Click on Library Links and then search for Hong Kong Baptist University. Check the appropriate box and then save your settings. You will now see the Find It at HKBU Library link displayed next to some results. Click on the link and one search will check to see if you can access the full text through the library's subscriptions. Quite convenient, wouldn't you agree? If the library doesn't have access to the required resources, use the Interlibrary Loan Service. Second tip, use common Google search techniques to get better results. Put phrases inside quotes in order to get exact matches. To increase the number of results, you can combine searches by putting "or" between each search term. For example, Asian or Indian or Korean can be used to focus a search for parenting styles. To exclude a term, place a minus sign directly in front of it. For example, -American. Final thought. Remember that Google does not actually search everything on the internet. It's important to also make use of library-subscribed search tools to be sure you have found the best information available for your research topic.